Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted cut command is discussed here. Guys, today discuss here a Solidworks lecture 30 is discussed here, and Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, lofted cut is very important and very useful and helpful command learn a Solidworks. Okay, and guys, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay okay guys, a 3D body is a drawing, uh, already drawing here, because this is a use a lofted cut. Okay, this is a lofted boss base is drawing here this body, and this body is use a help of a lofted cut. Okay, this is body is very helpful for this command lofted cut command is used here. Okay guys, some important point is discussed here. Lofted cut is some important point learn here, means cut a solid model by removing material between two or more profile. Okay, at first two or more profile is drawing here, and some cut material is removing. Okay, two profile is two or more profile is drawing here. Okay, again learn here, cut a solid model by removing material is removing between two or more profile is drawing here. Okay, at first drawing a first is a already is discussed here. Fourth plane is first plane, second plane, third plane and fourth plane. Okay, and more than one plane is a use here. At first drawing a first plane. Okay, a sketch, a normal is a this body is a use a this is a rectangle is drawing here. This is a rectangle. Okay, this is a perfect. First is exit, and second is also a sketch, normal, a drawing a circle is a very nice. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, and again third body is a sketch, normal. Okay, and again drawing a rectangle, some rectangle is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a correct here. Okay, some use a this is a perfect, exit, and fourth is a sketch, normal, and this is a circle is drawing here. This is a drawing a circle. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, exit. Okay, one by one is a 4 point is discussed here. First is rectangle, second is circle, third is rectangle, again fourth is circle. Okay, and use a lofted cut. Okay, click a lofted cut, and okay, clear here, because at first point is select here. Okay, this is a first point, and second is this profile, and third is this profile. Okay, and fourth is this profile. Okay, this is a cutting looking profile is so nice. Okay, this is a cut. Okay, this is a correct. This body is cut here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and plane is hide. Okay, this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, so nice. Okay, and okay, lofted cut is a okay, this is a white color. Okay, looking so nice. You can see here, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a cut here and perfect. Okay, okay, this body is perfect looking here. Okay, looking so nice. Okay, this body is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a isometric is a drawing this body, so looking perfect. Okay, okay, this is a nice looking here. Okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay, okay guys, thank you.